Hello friends and welcome to our review of the Glen Mini Chopper 4041. This is truly a very handy model when you need to chop small quantity of foods in a jiffy. This mini chopper reduces your preparation and pre-cooking time. This small and compact looking chopper fits into even a small drawer or shelf in your kitchen. But mind you, don't get taken away by its size alone. It has a capacity of 400 ml. The unbreakable bowl is made of food-grade polycarbonate. You can watch the process through the transparent bowl and stop the chopper once the required consistency is achieved. It comes with an easy-to-use one-push button that makes it very convenient to use. The anti-skid base ensures that the chopper sits steady when you're using it. The mini chopper comes with a uniquely designed rust-resistant stainless steel blades for better functioning and longer life. The blades are powered by a 200-watt motor. This allows you to easily chop onions, tomatoes, leafy vegetables, mash bananas, and even chop nuts and other food ingredients with ease. It has a gear system to reduce the RPM so that the food gets processed and not pulverized to give you that real taste of chopping by hand. To sum up, this is a great companion for your kitchen. It saves a lot of time and effort in pre-cooking. It is compact, handy, and yet powerful. Glen Mini Chopper 4041 comes with 2 years brand warranty. For further details, please refer to the product page.